It's really easy to present all the courses available on your EzyCourse site on any web page within your site, and I'll show you how quickly you can do that using the course widget. So I'm just going to add a blank section in here, and I'm going to go into widgets and I'm going to drag in the course list widget, and you can see how quickly this has created a page that's got a section in with all of my different available courses. Now, as always, I can make some changes to this. So in the settings for the section itself, using the padding, this is where I can change the padding that appears around this widget, and that's the best way of doing it to make sure your pages stay optimized on various different devices. But if I right click on the widget itself, lots of different changes I can make. So I can change whether the card view is minimal, compact. I can change it to more of a list view like this one, or a more detailed view, as you've seen. So there's lots of different options that you can go with here, but you can also customize those in whatever way you want to as well. So if I just scroll down a little bit, so firstly, there's 4 courses showing at the moment. There's only 4 courses available published on this site at the moment, but if I wanted to reduce that to say just a row of 3, or I wanted a bigger list of 12, I can do that with the courses on per page setting there. I can also list different types of courses. So if I just wanted to list all the single courses or the bundles of courses, I could do that. I can also choose which categories on display. So if I wanted to just list particular courses that were only in one category, I could do that. Again, you could have different pages or different sections for different categories of courses if you wanted to. You can also show specific courses as well. So if they're not categorized by title and you just kind of randomly want to select some, you can just choose them in this select specific courses section just there. You can choose either ordered as well, so whether they're ordered by the date they were created, ascending or descending, or the position as well. And actually in the dashboard you can change the positions of the courses in terms of how they appear. You change the settings of the card, so things like, I don't know, the background color of the card here. You can change the branding of that, very straightforward. Turn on and off things like who authored the course. You can hide the number of enrolled students, the category, the price, lots of different things that you can turn on and off. Of course, you can change the background of the button color and the text and so many different things. So there's lots that you can customize within the course widget that helps it to look just like it belongs on your site.